car.
Should be.
Solid copy.
Do you want to drop on the houses you normally drop at?
This is a good LZ.
There.
Can do, yeah.
This might be a good place to land. The jets, we're dropping hot.
There's one team going to the desert, or at least one guy is.
Like here?
Or two people. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Coming into the same doors as me.
First blood. FNGs always go first.
Yeah, he's trying to melee me.
Firing.
Okay, he's gonna finish me. Yeah, he's gonna actually finish me.
Beginning ring
Oh, he's getting a gun now.
Good, we're inside.
I got him.
Nice.
Behind me. Oh no, it's not. It's teammate.
His mate is coming in though. Got him.
Mate, I need you fucking L1. You're gonna pick lifeline, fucking heal people.
Mate.
Cheers. So you know what I mean, like that
I know,
is quite
yeah.
frustrating. If you're gonna pick the character I was gonna pick, please fucking heal people up.
New kill leader appointed.
Instead of just
New kill leader.
finishing my kill and taking all my fucking loot. Whatever. Whatever.
Come in there. R301. I would tag it, but you know.
Yeah. Cheers, man.
Let me see.
Yeah, I got it. Cheers. Guy's already proven that you can't be trusted, so.
Oh, I can hear someone near me. In there.
Contact.
It's probably the last guy. Yeah, he's on me. It's another Wraith.
Reloading. Contact. On my marker.
Right at me. Alright,
different
there's
team?
another one. Yeah, different team. But not one of the
She's on
Wraith.
purple.
Reloading.
She's up there.
Right here.
Oh wait.
Not the Wraith.
Reloaded.
Don't know where.
Enemy kill.
Barry's finishing my fucking kill. Over here. Pathfinder. Alright, I need. Yeah, he's finished my kill and he's just looting his body. Below
Yeah.
Bowery.
Spotted. Double timing it. Chasing up.
I'm going low. I think he's in the
that
building.
house.
Let's go this way.
Yeah,
Enemy spotted.
yeah.
Near me. Recharging my shields.
There's a peacekeeper.
Over here.
I'm not close.
Bangalore's down.
Void running.
Got the shield. There's a white shield on here.
Was that both or was that just the one?
One. Don't know if the other guys. But sorry, man. Like, I'll drop you these purple, white. Come to
No,
a
no,
position
it's
where-
fine. It's fine. I can heal up.
Catching myself up.
I think
Just
it sounded like there was someone west. Probably my imagination.
Got a severe here. Using a med kit. One sec.
That's right, there's nothing more I hate in a fucking support player who doesn't actually play support.
I know, yeah.
Oh. I got plenty of shotgun ammo if you want to grab that peacekeeper if you haven't already.
I've got one. I'm cool. You using? I got a thingy on me, a skull piercer. I can hold on to it
I've got-
because I've got
you've got-
loads of space.
No problem.
I'll keep
sure you
hold
don't
of
want a
it for
bit
now.
of shotgun. Sure you don't want a bit of shotgun.
I've got like nearly full.
Alright.
Kill leader. One.
Probably
Look
head
for
to
gear.
the watchtower.
I'll relay what I find.
Normally some decent gear there.
We're all inside this ring.
You sure you don't want a purple shield, man? It sounds like there's people here.
Target over there.
Yeah, there might be.
Hostile spotted.
It might be in... It's artillery.
Kill leader.
It's artillery, but it's really close.
Nope. Right behind us.
Oh, oh yeah.
He's dead.
But there is
That
people
was the
after it.
teammate, I think.
Yeah.
This
So
place here.
there is definitely people after it. He's gonna go for the loot no matter what.
Yeah, I can hear him. Yeah, he scanned me.
Coming behind.
He's weak.
Got
He's
half
down.
weak. Half weak.
He's down.
Enemy down. Downed another. Reloading.
Finish the blood.
He's coming in. He's weak. He's
Yeah.
down.
Looking at me. Nice.
Reloading.
Took out the whole.
Give my shields a recharge.
Here you go, man. Cheers.
This guy must have some shields on him. Yeah, he does.
Just need
to
a
recharge
light
my
ammo.
shields.
I can drop some for you. I've got loads.
Recharging my shields. Patching myself up a
Watch
bit.
out. Could possibly be another. Checking in there. There's no one there. Oh, he's just checking. Don't want to get the party ball.
Yeah.
God, this guy is so loot hungry. I hate people like this. It's so selfish. Like, all he wants to do is loot. Like, he literally went and finished off our fucking, like, my kill whilst we're in the middle of a gunfight just to go and fucking loot.
Yeah.
Like that. Do you want a one-time scope?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
No. See why this circle takes us. What do you think? Like,
Heads up.
River's gonna
Not all of
be
us are in the ring.
for kills.
Yeah, let's push it. Most people head towards the bunker bit, won't they? I think.
Let's thinking if you go like up there, maybe it might be a bit less suicidal.
Yeah.
Go from the top. Like, I feel like if you go into the watch, like, you know, the top bit, that hill, that gets third party like crazy.
Oh shit.
Hostile right here.
Oh yeah,
Contact.
she's weak.
Yeah, very weak.
Reloading.
She's underneath. She's dead.
I just dusted an entire unit. Hell yeah. Reloading.
Phoenix kid here.
Looked like she had some shields on her. So.
Let's relocate here. Taking a
I wasn't sure if you actually bring someone that I was like,
Yeah, it's because she. I don't know what she did. She did this massive hop in the sky.
yeah.
I was like, when I tried to ping her, it's like, oh, she's well out of that position now.
He went through both. Not a map.
Patching myself up.
Yep, they're coming.
Hostile spotted.
Ult in. My ult.
You're due with the enemy.
Reloading. Reloading.
Right, life farm's knocked.
You finish her?
I can't see her.
Oh, he's doing it. She's down.
Reloading. Kill leader's dust.
Kill that. Kill
That's how we do. I'm the kill leader. Ready
Just
for
live. What the Closing the bunker door. Map care package is still there.
just escape. One second.
Gotta think she was on her own, or they decided to backtrack.
Yeah. I imagine they probably just they're over there, I think.
Okay. I mean, I don't think we get a third party if we take that fight. It really depends if there's anyone coming from the side. How far away were they? Like,
Right underneath me,
front.
right on me.
Contact with target.
Purple armor.
Reloading.
I'm bitch.
Only 2 enemy squads remain.
Reloading.
Check.
Fucking hell, that player's got 24 shields on her. Who needs 24 shields?
No, I've got 6 shield bats if you want need any.
I'm alright, I've got 4 on me. It's probably too much really, but
45 seconds, rings close.
Can sabotage.
yeah, pits can be a bit of a choke point.
I've got smokes anyway, so I can use them to push through. See if there's anyone here. I haven't heard anyone see him. I think in PlayStation, the last fight is normally between the last 3 teams.
10 seconds.
Okay, so we know one. That's good. One team. Disengage, mate. You're gonna want to disengage. Just grab my shield back real quick.
It's on. Ring's moving.
Coming. I'm coming over.
Care package touching.
She's gonna run right at us. Yeah, she is. Finish on, yeah, there you go.
Enemy taken out. They might have seen you.
Someone's seeing me. Someone could see me.
Hell yeah.
We need to get through the pit. Smoke behind you. Smoke behind you, you can run, mate.
Reloading.
Got him.
Reloading. Got the whole squad.
Can you portal to her?
Punching a
Yeah.
tunnel.
Considering we're probably gonna get fucked.
I set the portal.
I'm watching. Yeah, they're coming in now.
I'm sealing up.
Throwing Arcstar. Arcstar out.
They know where we
1
are.
second. We got this.
I'm picking her up.
Oh well, one
Right.
now.
Right, I'm coming up now. Nice.
Wow, that was a good last game.
It was.
That was too easy, man. Like, I don't even feel like, yeah, we won. You know what I mean? Oh well.
You are the Apex
Some good
champions.
tactics.
I mean, we played well, to be fair. Those last 2 guys were terrible, though. And to be fair, don't look about that. It's a 16 kill game.
That was a pretty good game, yeah. Well, I think we did well. It was just, it was like, there weren't really much challenge for us.
No. Like, I'm not saying that we're bad or anything like that. I'm just saying, like, it felt like everyone else and we just absolutely mowed through it, choose for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we killed the champion twice.